In this video, we are going to see how we can set the portrait and the landscape page type on a same document in Word. So let's say in this particular document, we have a couple of pages, but for some of them, I want to set it as portrait, but for others, we basically want to save it for a title or whatever purpose. We want to set the other page, let's say, to landscape. So what we do is just go to layout, and if we change it from here, if we change the orientation from portrait to landscape, you will notice that both of these are changed to landscape. We don't want that. So what we can do is just click on this little page setup icon under the same area. Just click on that, and from here we can just move our cursor to the second page, let's say, which we want to make landscape. Let's go it in here again, and it says apply to. Just make it landscape first. It says apply to whole document, but I'll just change this to this point forward. Click OK, and you will notice that the first page or first couple of pages is portrait, while the other or third page is being landscape. Similarly, let's say that we want to change this to portrait again. It's very simple to do. Just go to the layout and page setup, and you can change all of that to portrait, whole document. You can click OK, and these all pages will be converted to portrait. So that's pretty much it. This is how you can do it. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.